wish and pray to have a happy and safe journey when we travel. But the Air India Express, which was carrying 190 passengers from Dubai to Kozhikode, had a great misfortune as the flight ended up in a crash. Most of the passengers who were traveling had lost their jobs and few of their visa had expired and were looking forward to join their family. The heavy monsoon seems to be the cause for the crash. When the pilot was about to land the flight, he felt that it was not convenient to land the flight. Then he decides to take off again, which was also not convenient, and finally landed the flight. Though the pilot turned off the engine, he could not get the control over the flight as the runway was slippery due to heavy monsoon, and the flight, which had lost its control, glided off the runway and got banged to the walls, which was 10 meters below the runway. As the flight struck the wall due to its pressure, the flight ruptured into two parts. Passengers who were seated in the first 7 rows lost their life along with the pilot, and many seriously injured. The reason behind this accident was not due to the negligence of the pilot, but the weather condition and the runway, which is very dangerous as it's a tabletop runway. Tabletop runway? What is it? Let us have a view about it. Tabletop runway is a runway that is located on the top of a plateau or hill with one or both ends which has steep, which drops into a deep gorge. This type of runway creates an optical illusion which requires a very precise approach by the pilot. However, experienced the pilot is, sometimes the external forces like the climatic conditions like heavy monsoon or fog leads to the disaster. There are few airports in India which has a tabletop runway. Kozhikode and Kannur Airport at Kerala, Mangalore Airport at Karnataka and Mizoram Airport. These airports are considered to be the most dangerous airport. The crash at Mangalore Airport on 22nd May 2010 was another incident that took place. So, is it safe to have a tabletop runway for a civilian airport? Do let me know in the comment section. We are researching more on the tabletop runway. We will be back with the updated video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.